Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this special presentation from me and Mr. Heath this afternoon. We're glad to be able to talk to you for just a few minutes. We decided to do it in this format so that we can speak to all of you at the same time without having to gather together in an assembly or something like that. So students, this is specifically designed for us to talk to you directly. We hope that you would pay attention to what we're going to talk about today. We'll make it short. But hopefully you'll have some information you didn't have before today moving forward. So we just want you to know from Mr. Heath and I how much we love what we do. We are so proud of the school we represent. We are so proud to be pirates. We talk a lot about what it means to be a pirate and how special of a thing it is for us to be a part of this school and our team here. We hope you feel the same way. We hope that you love being pirates and that you contribute in the way that is expected of a pirate here at East Minico. So we just want to let you know that for sure up front. We do want to talk with you about something that we were made aware of this year, and it was given to us, this information from the state of Idaho. And it's related to our ISAT scores from last year. I know you hear a lot about ISAT and scores and testing. We're here to give you a little bit of information that we think you deserve to know and ask for your help today. So the state of Idaho, at the end of last year, based on those ISAT scores, has come and talked to us this year about how poor our scores were from last year. In fact, they were so poor that we finished in the bottom 5% of all schools across the state of Idaho. And that, I don't know if that hurts you as much as it hurts Mr. Heath and I and your teachers and things, but we do take that personally, and we know that we are better than that. So let me repeat, the state of Idaho has told us that we are the bottom 5% of all schools in the state on ISAT scores.
And what's interesting there is that we look at our students every day and we see how hard you work and how many great things you do and how smart you are. And we know that bottom 5% doesn't represent our school at all. It's just based on that one test. And so, yeah, we definitely want to readjust some things to be sure that we're showing who we really actually are rather than what they say we are.
And I agree. We know we're better than that, and we know you're better than that. And so we need your help moving forward. We've done a lot of talking as a team, as a staff, as teachers, and all of the people that work at East Minico. We've talked a lot about things we may be able to do moving forward to help you and help us prove how good we are in all the things that we do and we see you do every day. But we do need your help. So we are going to make a few changes. Some of them starting as early as this month, in particular to our advisory schedule. But I want to first talk to you about a program we're implementing that's called IXL. And IXL is a program that's designed for your device, that is provided for you on your device, kind of like for those of you that have had Achieve 3000 before, in that format. So IXL in particular for us right now, we want to focus on our math. So what we're going to do is introduce you to that software program over the next week or so, in particular in math class. And then in advisory starting February 27th, we are going to implement what we call Math Monday. And Math Monday will happen during advisory on Monday afternoons. Every student will be required in advisory to get on IXL program on your laptop and work on math skills pertaining to kind of where your skill level is in math. So the program and our math teachers will help you figure that out. But what you need to know is starting the 27th of February, our week will change. So we'll have Math Monday, where everybody and nobody is exempt. So everybody on Mondays will do IXL in their advisory class working on math. Tuesday and Wednesday, we will have our kind of study hall and makeup day on Tuesday. Wednesday will be grade check. And then we will only have one day of Pirate Power Hour, which will be Thursdays starting that week.
One of the reasons why we're doing that, is obviously just to get that renewed focus and energy put into boosting our scores. We really want to see our students performing in the way that we know you're capable of. And the thing that I really love about this IXL program is that we're going to have a bunch of incentives. Like there's going to be competitions based on classes, based on grades, and even based on individuals. So if you're the sort of person who wants to put in like extra time on IXL and really like work super hard on it, not just during advisory, but maybe when you go home, like we're going to be tracking that and we're going to be watching that and we're going to be giving out some prizes. We'll let you know a little bit more about those prizes as we go along.
Yeah, so we think it'll be actually kind of fun to have some competitions and see your progress on the program. The program will track how much time you put in and how far your skill level has grown. So we think there'll be some fun with that as well. We'll try to make some school competitions, some class competitions, and things as we get familiar with the program. So it's kind of a win-win. We think you can boost your math skill as well as have some fun along the way. Now, IXL might be used in your other classrooms if your teachers prefer to do that, so you'll get some exposure in that way as well. But Math Monday will be specific to everybody on those Mondays. We really hope that you enjoy it and that you find some benefit to it. And also, I agree with Mr. Heath that we need kind of a renewed effort and focus on doing the best we can no matter what we're doing. And that's the expectation as part of being a pirate, right? So everything you do the best you can. We don't take days off as far as how hard we're going to work in class or even when we're given a test like STAR or ISAT or other things. You work hard, you do your best no matter what, and then we live with those results. So we just want you to make sure you're doing your part. We know you will. We need you to. We need your help, and we're here to support you every step of the way. It takes all of us to be a successful and great place to be, and I know we are that, and I know we can be that. We want you to know that your teachers are committed to you and your success. We need you to do the same for yourselves in all the areas that we ask you to perform in. So we love being pirates. We appreciate all you do. We think this is the best school that anybody can possibly be at, and that's the way we approach each day, and we just want you to feel the same and invest and work hard in everything that you do.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks.